For over 4 decades, Scott Turbon Mixer has designed and manufactured high-performance, high-shear mixers and mixing systems in the food, beverage, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and chemical processing industries. Whether your challenge is formulation development, process scale-up, or full-scale manufacturing, Scott Turbon offers a full range of mixing technologies and solutions to meet these challenges. Based in Adelanto, California, 2 hours east of Los Angeles, Scott Turbon Mixer was founded in 1980. Known for its 40-year track record of providing efficient and technically sophisticated high-shear stainless steel mixers and mixing systems, in 2015, the Hayward Gordon Group acquired Scott Turbon, allowing the group to further strengthen and expand equipment offerings and technical capabilities within the sanitary markets. We continue to make investments in the Adelanto factory operations and innovation center, expand capacity, and enhance high-shear mixing applications. With our tremendous experience and expertise in various sanitary applications, we increase your productivity, enhance efficiency, and reduce downtime. Scott Turbon Mixer. Take the time out of mixing.